Good afternoon. This call is number 2007-38844 in the interest of Asia and Jamal Walton. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Rory Turner, I am their mother.
And representing the attorney for the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Andrea Eoff.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent Antoine Monroe Walton was personally served on September 29th, 2021 at 7:50 a.m. at 14607 West Ginger Pear Court in Cypress, Harris County, Texas. It appears that he filed an answer, and so he was given or notice of this Zoom hearing was attempted to be given him by certified mail return receipt requested, but that remained unclaimed, so we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before we begin, we'd like to ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior order in this case. It was signed on November 29th, 2007, and it ordered Mr. Walton to pay current child support of $455 a month and to make an additional payment of $75 a month on a child support judgment.
Court will so note.
And Your Honor, we'd also like to ask that you admit into evidence what's been marked as State's Exhibit A. It's the updated payment record in this case, and it shows a balance for child support arrearages of $39,864.11 as of December 31st, 2022. And that's the highlighted line on page 16.
Ms. Turner, have you had an opportunity to look at this pay record?
Yes, sir, I have.
Do you have any objections of being admitting that into evidence?
No, sir. No, sir.
All right, State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this point in time, I would like to call Ms. Turner.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Turner, will you please state your full name for the record?
Rory Shanita Turner.
And will you state the names and ages of your children?
Jamal Dante Walton is 28 years old. Asia Marie Leanne Walton is 26 years old.
And would you like for the court to take a judgment against Mr. Walton today for $39,864.11, which is the amount of child support that he still owes as of December 31st, 2022, and order him to pay that at $250 a month beginning February 1st, 2023?
Yes.
And do you have reason to believe that if your address and phone number are printed in this order, that you might be subject to harassment from Mr. Walton in the future?
Yes.
And why is that?
Because the relationship ended on domestic violence. And then we had another incident once our daughter was sick, where we had verbal abuse. Mr. Walton and I disagreed on her plan of care, and he verbally abused me.
And at this point in time, both of your children are adults who have emancipated. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there any reason why Mr. Walton would need to have your address or your phone number for reasons related to your children?
Not at all.
Would you like the court to make a finding of non-disclosure and keep your address and phone number confidential and not printed in this order?
Yes.
Thank you. I have no further questions and pass this witness, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.